The author Mark Manson tells the story of a successful businessman named Elliot who had a tumor in the frontal lobe of his brain. The surgery that was done to remove the tumor had some side effects that let Elliot's brain lose the distinction between feelings and emotions. As a result, Elliot would skip important business meetings to do silly tasks like going to buy stationery items or skipping his son's baseball game and watching TV instead. Elliot went to a neurologist named Antonio Damasio, who in turn conducted a study on Elliot by showing horrific images of children's war victims. Through the study, it was found that Elliot didn't show any emotional reactions to the pictures despite his conviction that he was supposed to be affected psychologically. Elliot's rare case shows us that we need a harmonious connection between the logical, intellectual, and emotional parts of our brains. Let's take an example that you want to stop eating fast food. Your logical mind realizes through what you have studied and read that fast food is bad for your health. But it's your emotional brain that takes the facts and data that you have studied and uses them in the direction of its choice to decide whether the thing you're thinking about is useful or harmful. So making the right decision requires some real negotiation between your emotional mind and your logical mind. Remember that your emotional mind is the one that convinces you to make most of the decisions, and that it has the ability to change facts and data to convince you that eating fast food is actually something useful. This concept was also explained by the famous journalist Ahmed Al-Shuqairi in his book 40, which we presented in 2 previous episodes of Khair Jalis, where Al-Shuqairi named the 3 parts of the mind as Aqlan, Atfan, and Shahwan. But to remember, decision-making requires harmony and negotiation between the parts of the mind, as the logical mind alone is not capable of making the best decisions.